Hello guys, want to make profit or close a trade on Etoro? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you and tell you exactly how to close a position and secure your gains. So firstly, open the Etoro app or go to the desktop platform and log in. Tap or click on the portfolio tab at the bottom or left side of the screen. So the portfolio is going to be right over here, right now. Scroll to the asset you want to choose, whether it's a stock, crypto or ETF. So just press on search by asset, then type in, for example, Bitcoin, then press on trade. So as you can see, you need to firstly complete the verification. In my case, because it's just a dummy account, so you'll see a list of open trades for that asset. Tap a specific position you want to choose. After that, click close trade or close position. You'll see a confirmation screen allowing the current value, profit loss, and the amount you'll receive. Tap close trade to confirm. If you only want to partially close the position, enter the amount you want to sell before confirming. And that's it, you've taken your profit on Etoro. Like and subscribe for more trading tutorials, and drop a comment if you want more help. Guys, thanks, see you soon.